Does your Audi have the massage seat option, but you don't know how to use it? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to use the massage function in your Audi. The massage option can be simply activated by using the control lever on the outboard side of the seat or via the Audi MMI. When using the control lever on the outboard side of your seat, the available massage options will be directly shown on the Audi MMI display. You can toggle through the massage settings by using the multifunctional buttons. The other option to activate the massage option in your Audi is via the Audi MMI display. Go to the Audi MMI menu and select Car. Go to Seats. You can now select the different massage functions. Start or stop the massage function, or set the intensity. By using the arrows on the side, you can select and adjust the driver's seat or the co-driver seat. Once set, the massage will continue for 10 minutes and then automatically turns off. To restart the massage function again, simply press the button on the side of the seat or click on Start on the MMI screen. The last settings will be retained. When sliding to the right, you can also set and adjust the seat temperature. If you'd like to have the focus on your upper body, push the round dot up. If you would like to warm or cool the lower body, push the round dot down. When sliding all to the left, you can change the seat adjustments by click and hold the arrows. Would you like to save all settings? Do not hesitate to watch this next video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG CAR tutorials.